So I've got a Roku Premiere, and I'm going to be using this converter to hook that Roku up to that piece of shit television there, because I don't have a flat screen. So let's do this. So I'm filming this on my Note 3 because I don't have a camcorder, let alone a computer, so this is a Roku Premiere. And if we open the box, we have a Roku. I'm gonna have to take this plastic off. And basically what we're gonna be doing is taking the HDMI from here, plugging that to there, and then AV out to right there. And that should work. Also in the Roku box we have usual bullshit guide and papers, our nice matte finish remote, volume button, headphone jack so that way I can listen to it without bothering everyone, and blare the volume without bothering anyone, and batteries, power adapter, of course we got fucking Duracell, because you can't run anything without fucking Duracell. And what looks like cheap piece of shit headphones here. And nothing else in that box. So let's go ahead and hook that Roku to that fucking piece of shit television. Okay, so we have the Roku going to that power adapter, and then we have a powered fucking converter. And a Thickem HDMI cable that I bought going to the Roku, then AV to the television. Now I've already set up the Roku, but that converter box came with that piece of shit cable, which we're not going to be using. And as we can now clearly see, the Roku is working completely fine on this old piece of shit television.